Hello YouTubers, welcome to another video. In this video we have an equipment that I'm not familiar with. Is some sort of testing tool. It's from Tempo. I believe I was told it's used for checking cable, something like that. And it's a two-piece unit. One is you hook it somewhere, and then the other one is like a probe or a tracer. I've checked this last week, and the speaker seems to be faulty. This is the actual speaker, and the customer has bought the replacement speaker, which is actually different from this. The original one is 16 ohm in impedance. The substitute one that it can be found by the customer is 8 ohm. So I hope will work, and I'm not sure. I cannot give any explanation about this, what tool this is. It's not within my jurisdiction, but we're gonna proceed with the repair, and at least there's some material for my channel, and we're gonna disassemble this and put the new speaker. Okay. So this is how it looks inside. The actual speaker was situated here, and we're gonna put the replacement speaker. And but that's why we have a close look at the circuit board. Quite simple circuit board actually. Some capacitors, and I added this screw here to better grip the contact exposed copper over here. Somebody had opened this in the past and fix it. It's quite a simple circuitry. I'm surprised this capacitor. I'm told this unit has been in service for quite some time, and I'm quite surprised looking at this capacitor. They haven't leaked yet, so must be a good quality capacitor that was produced back then, maybe 10 or 20 years ago. So yeah, this is the appearance. Okay, let's proceed to putting the new speaker, and hopefully we're gonna get this work in video. Sorry, I'm doing this in front of my customer, so this unit cannot be left in my workshop, because it's in he needs it for his work. So it's instant repair or instant parts replacement. So I'm not gonna guess which is the positive and negative. I just going to gamble it. So if it blows in my face, so it blows. Okay. Fits nicely. Just arrange the wire to the side so it doesn't get cream to the plastic thing. Seems the magnet is too high, so I'm going to put some sellotape here. I doubt there's connectivity within this plate with the speaker itself, but I'm going to put the sellotape anyway, just to protect the this thing over here. I'm not sure what's the purpose of this thing. So it's going to be a jury rig kind of repair. Everything has to be forced shut. Battery. No battery. Six minutes already. We're gonna target this under 10 minutes, so viewers don't have to watch this very long. And so my customer is going to demonstrate and activate the other unit.
Nice. Activate.
Oh, I see. So if you put one end of the cable and this end of the cable, so there's no contact. If got contact, no sound, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
If got contact, there's a sound.
If got contact, there's sound.
There's sound.
If no contact like this,
Should be no sound.
so spoiled.
Right? Should be more clear.
More clear.
Like that.
Okay. So that is how this progressive electronic model 200 EP inductive amplifier works, and it's a quick repair. Aside from this is not able to close properly because of the size of the magnet. I think he has to put some sellotape around here to jury rig it somehow. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, and bye bye.